figured out the story. No, it wasn't good. No. But in a corner of my mind, I celebrated glory.
Boy, in this arena, my goodness, I get cold.
In the twist of sun.
Catching a cold, my goodness. Philippines, what are you catching?
Can't you find a little room?
I'm good.
What are you catching? What, you're in your bed?
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
I just want you back for good. Want you back, see, I want you back for good.
By the way, you said you would call me. I haven't heard from you at all.
You've been right and understood.
Very busy, but I'm going to call eventually. I've been very busy with training and work. Yeah.
Too busy to call me. Wow.
No man, I'm going to call. Yeah.
Tonight? Tonight?
Perhaps not tonight, but I am going to call.
Okay, great.
Wherever we will be, so complete in our love, we will never be uncovered again.
But everybody, can you share out the live and tap the screen? You can share the live also to your story.
I just want you back for good.
By the way, what's happening in your neck of the woods? What's happening in your constituency? Are there issues in your constituency that you'd like to highlight? Tell us.
Right and understood.
Oh, it's
Doing what you're born to do.
oh, double one from Ghost. Double from Ghost on this your Friday. Do you believe in life after love, huh? Oh my goodness, we nasty up your Friday evening, eh?
Oh no. Take some time.
Oh, we lock down the other, shut them down. Shut them down. Watch us as we shut them down tonight, eh? What a Friday in Jamaica. Third world to the world. Where are you in the world tonight?
So you ought to know.
Watch this. Do you need scallion? Do you need thyme? Do you need onions? Proper produce have all of that in Marley. Well, dear, I love the planting. Do you love planting, Joan? You love planting? Huh?
Love is coming at you.
Love is coming at you, you know, Joan. Love is coming at you. Sir, one question. What's wrong with Warmington? All right. We can talk about that. Okay. We can talk about that. Quite frankly, we have that as part of the notes. But... Good night. Hello? What trouble, ma'am?
Mapi.
The lady said trouble in the house tonight. Oh my gosh. She not even knows that she online. Trouble in the house tonight. Take down them people there. No, sir. Hello. Good night. Good night, my dear. Hello. No. Not working out there so at all. Passion. I notice. Hi. What's wrong with Malahu 2 neighbor? All right. There are a lot of speculations, you know, as to exactly what happened. But everybody can be in the cabinet, you know. Everybody can be in the cabinet. That is just the truth. Some people have it left out of the cabinet. You can't have a parliament of only cabinet ministers. But there is a reflection here of a broader issue within the party. And of the 259 of you up here listening to me, I don't want to give you any, but there's a problem. Organizations, you see, must have the ability to maintain discipline among members, irrespective of who they are. So, I hope that as we get some more information on this, we are going to be able to discuss it a little bit more. But today, the following persons were sworn in as state ministers. Apka Fitzhenley, you know him. He is in the office of the Prime Minister. Apka. Hello?
Yes, are you hearing me? No, I said if you could play a Sizzler, solid as a rock. If continually, Xavier Main promote some good sporting events, football, cricket, and all of that. So, job creation is on an eye. So, it's just mostly road and water is the main priority at this time.
Okay, well, road and water.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Because most of those roads, are fixed, but they fixed long time ago, so so the surface keep on deteriorate from time to time. Not so they're not paying any attention to it,
What type of MP is he, sir? Is he accessible? Good man?
Yes, man. Yes, man. He's a third term he's going on now. And he always doing strong. And he work along with the councillor. But I mean, not saying that we have road issue on our eye, but road and water is always be the priority if you check across Jamaica right now. Most constituencies just road and water. People talk about the road more, they talk about the water. Sometimes you hear about light.
And he's an elected representative, and the people who elected him know what he's capable of. He have never hide his spot.
Yes.
So he was elected to be member of parliament for St. Catherine Southwest, and with a statement for the second consecutive election, he polled the most votes across the country. So
right. And remember that he said that he was only going up for the third term for Andrew Holness. I don't think
Exactly.
he was necessarily looking a position. Scratchy says in the comment that he was given a post and he turned it down. I don't know if Scratchy wants to speak on that.
No. Leave that alone. We only have 12 minutes.
Because people are speculating.
So
thing.
Good night, everybody. Good night, Nikki. Good night, Never.
Yeah.
Selburn, big up.
Yeah. So Casey, you feel that the sagacious Prime Minister ought to be allowed to choose his cabinet and form his government, and you can't dictate what position you get in any government, can you?
Exactly. Nobody can dictate that. And this is a prime minister that has gotten his mandate, his third mandate from the people of Jamaica. He went to every constituency and meet the people and campaign for himself. Nobody put this prime minister in government. He put everybody else in government. So the people gave the mandate to Andrew Michael Holness, and he does what he sees fit because the people believes in him to do it. And I think it's a very impressive cabinet. And the notable absentee I see here was Marlene Malawi Fort. And I don't know. I can only say the Prime Minister is not impressed with her past performance. I can't sugarcoat it. I was expecting to see her at one point at state minister in justice and legal constitution, because legal constitution is now coupled with justice. I was expecting to see her as state minister in that ministry. I don't know if she was offered that and she refused to take it up, but I'm kind of surprised not to see her being the understudy for Delroy Chuck. But all in all, she is the person I think that is that I expected to see in the cabinet based on her expertise and her qualifications. That is not in the cabinet, but otherwise it's a very good cabinet. I think I welcome Dr. Andrew Wheatley. I think he's a very hard worker. He's a welcome addition back to the cabinet. Robert Bobby Montague, it's been a long time coming. Expertise means something in government, neighbor. And I think this is the people's term, as Bobby Montague once said at the last conference. And let's see, I have high hopes for this government, and they know, I can put it out there, this Jamaica Labour Party government knows that they don't have a chance to campaign to the people and explain to the people what went wrong, why the people is not feeling whatever success they're having come the next term. So this has to be the people's term.
I mean, all the terms are always the people's term.
Casey, I have been doing a study of the election results, and one of the things I realized, Casey, is that people are pragmatic. They may not even know that they are pragmatic, but they are pragmatic. They are really voting not on any policy prescription, long-term interests, even for Jamaica, but are voting on their own narrow personal benefits. Do you agree with me?
Yes, and unfortunately, that's how a lot of people vote, neighbor. And if you remember correctly, that's something that the People's National Party campaign on.
Breaking up a little here.
People want.
Sorry.
See, you're breaking.
People what they. Neighbor,
Yes, Casey, you broke up there a little, but we understand.
let me know if you're hearing me.
Internet. I'm hearing you. Yes, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing
Yes.
you. Yes.
As you said, people are pragmatic. Yes, they are. And a lot of people did not understand how the progress the government have made would have benefit them. And the people who
Correct.
didn't understand the opposition campaign on their minds. Because with no due respect, a lot of common mind people would not have understand, and the opposition would have made sure to capitalize on their common mind. And they, as I said, after the election, they succeeded in suppressing those votes, because those votes didn't necessarily go over to the other party, but they didn't jump out and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. A lot of people don't understand that if if murders have cut by 43%, your life might have been saved in that. A lot of people don't understand the investments that are coming into the country, the infrastructural development, how it will benefit them. A lot of them don't see it benefit them unless they get some road work or something, and they haven't got it.
Yes. And so many people, Casey, including some people who have lost, are wondering how come our government performing so well did not yield better result. And it's all about the politics case. It's all about how the politics is practiced in the country.
Yes, it's all about the politics, and the opposition capitalize on the chances they have to capitalize on what the people don't understand. But one thing, neighbor, you in some case you'll see people like Anne-Marie Vaz who perform admirably lose because of the strength of the PNP in her constituency and the voter suppression campaign, the successful voter suppression campaign of the PNP that really turned away the undecided, who would have taken her over the line and make it a base-to-base election in East Portland, and PNP won by about 100 and odd, which shows that the JLP tallies in East Portland have gotten impressive. With the exception of that, there are some MPs who was riding on the Prime Minister and central government to go back to Parliament. A lot of them didn't really do the work in their constituency over time. A lot of them left it too late. A lot of them didn't represent as much as they should.
Yeah.
Have for vote, and that's what reached.
Poor signal. Poor signal. All right, poor signal. Poor signal.
So neighbor, if the signal isn't good, we'll maybe have to come back another time.
We have to come back another time, all right?
Yes. We have a lot of rain down here, so I don't know.
Yeah, we have to do this another time. All right, listeners.
Yes, and big up, good night to the Politics Plus family. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll call you, Casey. I'll call you. You here?
Okay, cool.
All right, good. All right, listeners, that's it for us tonight. That's it for us. But I tell you, time flies so fast when we're having fun. Don't worry, Casey will be back. Don't worry. Casey will be back. And I'll be back too, not tomorrow though. It's been a fantastic week with you as we have tested out this platform, daytime, prime time. We'll have to tweak it and get back with you on Monday, all right? We'll have so we'll not be here tomorrow, but we'll be back on Monday. You love Casey's voice? Oh, wow. All right, so Monday at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Yeah. Thank you so much. We'll be here on Sunday for a nice little family show. No politics on Sunday. No politics on Sunday. All right. No politics on Sunday. Thank you, Jem. You love my voice more. I hope so. I hope so. Huh? Preaching, forever young. 4 o'clock, okay?